Now second, eighth number question, what percent is 45 paise of rupees 1? So with of which is written, you have to write as a denominator, and is which is written, you have to write as a numerator. Okay, but here and the units are different, paise and rupees. So convert 1 rupee into paise, 45 paise, and 1 rupee equal to 100 paise into 100. Paise you can cut, and 100 one time. So 45 into 1, 45%. Okay, this is the answer. Here 10 number question says that find a number. You have to find one number whose 6% is 8.1. So 6% of a number equal to 8.1. Okay, so 6% of the required number, 6% means 100 into required number equal to 8.1. Okay, so you have to find the required number. Required number equal to shift this amount to this side, 8.1, and when it is shifted, multiple becomes divide 6 upon 10, 6 upon 100, sorry. So now the required number equal to 8.1, and take the reciprocal. This can be divisible. Take the reciprocal, it will be multiplied. Then that is 100 upon 6. We have taken reciprocal of 6 upon 100. It is 100 upon 6, and the symbol, divide symbol, change it to multiplication. Now you can cut. Okay, so here it became 81 and 20, and the decimal is after one place here, that is 6. It means 810 upon 6. Okay, now you can divide, or okay, now that is 3 1 the 3, 3 3 the 9, and 3 5 the 135 is the answer. I hope it is clear. So this way you can do the rest questions. That's all for today. Have a good day. Bye. Everyone, you are most welcome in this session. Today I am going to teach you the percentage, that is 14th chapter of class 5th. Okay, exercise 61. In previous video I have taught you the theoretical part. Okay, here I am going to solve the examples also. 5th number question, here says that find the value of 24% of 175. Okay, so 25% of 175. So how will you solve? Only first write that 175, and of means multiply 24%. Percent you know by 100. First write this part, 175 into 24, and percentage means by 100, out of 100. Okay, and these both can be divisible by 25, and 25 fours and 25 sevens, 175. Okay, and by 4 this can be also divisible 6 times. Okay, so 7 into 6, 7 6 42. 42 is the answer. It is clear. Write first 175 and then 24, and percentage means by 100. Same question here. 5% of this one, right? 12.6 of means multiply. Okay, and 5%, 5, and percent means by 100. Okay, Now if you want to divide, so you can do that, but it is the simple that first multiply if the numerator if the denominator is 10 or multiplied of 10, so you don't need to divide, right? 100 here, and when you put multiply 6 5 are 30 and 12 5 are 60 and 363 this, and put the decimal after one place here, so it became 63 by 100. This will be also answer. And if you write in decimal form, so decimal form 63 and put the decimal after 2 place, 20 given, so after 2 digits here, both will be answer. If the answer is given this form, so this is clear, and if it is not given this decimal form given, so you can write this one. Okay, both are right. Now 6 number question says that find 60% of 1 year. How will you do that? You know 1 year equal to 12 months, so you can write 60% of 1 year means 12 months, so that is 12 months, 12 into 60% means by 100. Okay, that answer will be in months. So now say 12 and 12 6 are 72 by 10 months. So when you divide, that is 72 by 10 months will be the answer. Okay, and you find the how means what is the actual months, so divide 7.2 months. This will be the month, this will be the day. I hope it is clear. Now here 10% of a liter. A liter is given, so first you know a liter equal to 1000 milliliter, so 1000 milliliter. Okay, so do the same. 1000 milliliter into 10%, 10 by 100, 20 cuts 10 into 10, 100 milliliter. This will be the answer. I hope it is clear. If here given liter, so change into milliliter. Okay, year given, so change into months, or days also you can do that. Here I have taken months, so this will be the month, or if we take the days here, now here, so this will 1 year equal to 365 days also. So also you can write that 365 into 60%. This will be the answer in days. This is answer in months. This is in days. Okay, solve and you can find the answer. Now here multiply both. 6 5 are 30. 6 is 36 and 3 39 and 6 3 is 18. 18 and 3 21 by 10. So 219 days. This will be also answer. According to you, you can do that. If you want to solve in months, so you can change in months, or days, then you can change in days. I hope it is clear. Now I do some more questions. Now I have taken some more questions. 7th number question says that what percent of 72 is 18? Okay, what percent of 72 is 18? Solution: what percent of 72 is 18? So what is given with of you will write as a denominator, okay, and it which is given with is you write as a numerator, then multiply by 100. This will be the percentage. It means total marks, this one, and this one is obtained mark. Same here, what percent is 45 paise of 1 rupees? Total is 1 rupees. Total you write with the denominator 1 rupees and 45 paise. Oh, sorry. And find the for percentage you multiply by 100. Okay. Now start solving. Both are same.